Okay, so there is a brand new simulator on Roblox that is trending right now. Okay, I know it was made in 2020, but who cares? It's a new trending simulator that hasn't been updated in about a week, which I hope it still consistently updates, but still. Ooh, we buy those. Anyways, yeah, this is a brand new simulator. Well, I mean, like, it's not really called the simulator. It's actually called Merging Legends. You can basically like, merge these circles together. Like, look, I'm merging a bunch of circles, and then we can make better circles and better circles and better circles. I think this might be like some of the best circles yet. Oh, and by the way, you can disable walking, and then you get like a bunch more options. So you can kind of like merge them from like a mobile game. It's kind of cool, or like it kind of looks like a mobile game. I just started playing this game today. I'm pretty good at it. I mean, there's not really that much skill involved. You can get these like magnets that you can use to get like upgrades. You get these locked ones from rebirthing. Basically, if you enable walking, you can go to the rebirth section. See, I can rebirth right now, and then if I confirm, you see it resets all my circles. See, there's no circles. And then we have the basic circles, but we have a better circle multiplier now. So if we disable walking, we can do these a lot easier. And this is my third rebirth. I recommend before you rebirth, you need to merge some circles fast. But more when you're like supposed to like AFK grind, I recommend to just like not merge. To just like so basically enable walking when like you need to like AFK grind. I just recommend it, but like it's easier to merge them like these circles with like the other setting on, because like right when you rebirth, you're gonna want to buy these settings because they make better circles come, and you want your better circles because that's how you get better stuff. You can also increase circle multipliers. Pretty sure that's what that does. I'm not entirely sure. That's like the one thing I'm not sure about in this game. Also, there's a thing called gold circles, ruby circles. I haven't really gotten to those yet. I'm still kind of a new player, but I'm probably going to make some videos on this and try to get better, at least. And then, yeah, you can do this and better circles come, and then you can do this, and you can use your magnets. Basically, you have a 2% chance of getting them in merges. I'm not sure if it tells you if you get them in merges. I mean, either way, I don't really pay attention, but there are some ways you can get better circles and claim this quest. And then you can just merge these circles pretty easily. And then basically around the point where you get to like the Roblox symbols, like circles, like you'll see those like soon enough, like over here. So like yeah, we'll make them soon. Yeah, we're getting pretty close to the Roblox circles. Let's just buy some more of these. And this game might seem a little boring to you, but it actually does get pretty addicting. It's basically like a Roblox mobile game, but in like a simulator. It's cool. There's also codes. I don't really know any codes right now, so I can't give you guys any codes. I literally do not know any codes, so please do not ask me. If you want help at this game, I recommend just gaming. Okay, so we're starting to make a bunch of Roblox symbol like circles. Like this is kind of like the thing I was like telling you guys about. Let's buy some more circle upgrades, yeah, and then eventually you can make a Bloxy circle. So around like this point, like over here, like when you kind of get to like this point, is when you might want to start enabling walking, because you might be able to rebirth soon. Like look, I can rebirth now, and then you can start over. And basically, yeah, again, rebirthing does increase your multiplier. So obviously you're gonna want to get a lot of rebirths. Then you're gonna want to merge a lot to get your magnets, get more circles, get better settings. I usually go for more circles. That's usually my kind of thing. And you can buy these, yeah. And basically, I mean, there's not that much to this game, so if I'm sure they're going to be adding like a lot more, but something cool you can do. Oh, I thought these were the same thing for a second. I don't know why. But something cool you can do is if you enable walking. I don't think you can enable walking at the start. I think you have to get a certain thing for it. But if you actually rebirth once, which trust me, it is not that hard at all. Just play the game for like a half hour, maybe even less, and then you'll probably get enough circles to do it. You basically go through this portal thing. You can visit other people's plots. Like you can go to this person's plot, and they have these circles. Now, can I merge their circles? I can't. Dang it. I thought I could. Yeah, but you can just go to other people's plots. I haven't really messed around with that. You can also go back to your plot, obviously, and then yeah, you have all these circles going. Since I'm not really at that far into my circles yet, I'm probably just going to disable walking. And this is a game that you can like really auto grind. You know, the circles generate the circle currency that you can use to get on the leaderboards and stuff. I'm pretty sure this game just started kind of trending once like Russo Plays made a video on it, which was a few months ago. But yeah, basically that's kind of where this game is at. I'm sure there's a lot more potential. There's these things, teleport to sphere area. I haven't really messed around with spheres. Collect 6 spheres. Yeah, again, I'm a new player. Not the best. I just collected a bunch of spheres apparently. I can collect these. Like 2 spheres. Okay, let's collect those. Let's disable walking. Wait, if I enable it again, am I going to? Yeah, I'm going to be back. Okay, let's teleport back to my plot. And yeah, let's just merge a bunch of more circles. And if we disable walking again, we can buy a bunch of these, which are definitely going to help us. Oh, we can buy more. Oh my god, nice. We can buy a bunch of circle multipliers. Let's go to magnets. How many merges do we have? Oh, we don't have that many. Yeah, okay, so yeah, that's basically what this game is. If you guys want to check it out, definitely can. I really recommend it. It's pretty addicting. I've been playing this for about like maybe 2 hours at this point. It's not that hard to get good, but yeah. Also on the side from this, I'm playing Clicker Simulator. These are kind of like my 2 like main games right now. Besides Bed Wars, just got into this game today though. So yeah, we'll have to see where we stand with this game. Oh my gosh. We've got all the way to the cookie circles. That's good. But yeah, I'll probably be maybe making some more videos on this game. If you want to see that, I can definitely do that. But yeah, this is basically like what this game is about, and that was the video. If you want me to make more again, I definitely can. And yeah. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.